There's only one free Chrome extension that you need to massively increase your productivity in Salesforce, especially when it comes to preparing for data migration and you want to quickly access a field API name. In the Chrome Web Store, there's an extension called Salesforce TurboKit. It's basically for Salesforce Inspector, which is known for adding a metadata layer on top of the Salesforce UI so you can see things like field API names. And it's being flagged because it doesn't necessarily follow best practices for Chrome extension security. So I've been using Salesforce TurboKit because it is updated and does all the same stuff. So when we click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension, once it installs, you can see there's a new lightning bolt icon. That's how you know it's in your extensions. Click the puzzle piece and then click the push pin, and that will make sure that the lightning bolt stays here in your fast access tray. Now let's log into Salesforce, and you'll notice that I've already uninstalled the Salesforce Inspector app that I'd been using before, so there's no little flyout here over on the right. But I'm going to refresh this org that I'm already logged into, and you'll see that the flyout reappears and there is a lightning bolt now, which essentially is the same exact thing. So just like Salesforce Inspector, let's say that I am in an account record. So let's go to accounts, and I am in Farmers Co-op. I click my little flyout here. What I can do is click on Objects, and I could click on Show All Data. And what I love about this feature is I can sort alphabetically. I can also filter based on a keyword. So if I'm looking for all the fields that have the word type in it, I can just click Type. I can search Account, and I can quickly find what I'm looking for. Let's go back to the record, because the other quick access item that I think is super helpful is when I want to be able to see the show fields API names. So if I'm looking at the page layout and I need a quick reminder without leaving that page of what the API name is for a particular field, especially when I'm mapping files for loading them using Data Loader, this is the feature I use to have that quick visual access.